to be ground to this one, and that one is actually plugged directly into the cigarette lighter. So, it works, but what the hell is this? Beep, that would get hella annoying as I'm driving. But it looks cool.